Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by ensuring backups and updates are in place so you can experiment without risk. Turn on Time Machine and iCloud, then run software update. This prevents surprises. Next, customize dock size and position, enable three-finger gestures in trackpad settings, and open Mission Control to assign apps to desktops. Once done, create a focused desktop for key apps. These first actions save time and make later automation reliable, so make sure to verify backups before moving on. You now shape how you work. Arrange apps across spaces or use split view for two-app focus. If available, try Stage Manager for app grouping. Build shortcuts for repeat actions like resizing images or moving files. Combine with Automator for complex flows. In Finder, pin frequently used folders to the sidebar, apply color tags, and create smart folders for dynamic search results. Once these are in place, you'll notice less friction switching contexts and more time spent on actual tasks. You wrap up by locking in efficiency and safety. Train Spotlight indexes and set keyboard shortcuts for common commands. Enable Siri if voice control helps. Turn on File Vault and review privacy permissions and make sure the firewall is active. If something goes wrong, try freeing up disk space, restarting, or resetting SMC and NVRAM. Booting to safe mode can reveal problematic extensions. If a specific app misbehaves, reinstall it after testing in a clean user account. These final steps keep.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.